Hi everybody, my name is Martina and this is From Skirt to Matching Set, a show where I use the leftover fabric from a skirt that was too big to make something new to match the skirt itself. In this video I'm gonna show you how I realized this top with a peekaboo bra. I started from a skirt that I bought at Stradivarius but that I found too long. My project consisted in a top with a square neck with a peekaboo bra that will match the skirt. There are many vintage-inspired dresses featuring this type of bodice, even though actual vintage dresses made this way ain't common. I always try to make things in the less difficult way, so I bought an elastic jersey top with a square neck. I don't usually buy this kind of tops because they tend to slip this way, but in this case this is exactly what I need. Other than this elasticized top and the leftover of the shortened skirt, I need an high-cut bra. The theory is very simple. I just have to cover my bra with the fabric. But since the fabric is not elastic, the practice will not be so simple. I start pinning the fabric from above. Then I move on the outer side. When I get to the bottom, I make a pants, to better follow the curve of the bra. Once I found a way to pin the fabric without wrinkling, I hand sew it to the bra. The external stitches must be very small. Internal ones can be larger. Now I wear the bra, then the jersey top. Pin the neckline in place on the bra, then I sew them together, and this is the final result. The most difficult part of this project is find the right top. Then you just need needles and thread and few pins. If you enjoyed this video, let me know with a like and a comment. See you on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Bye!